90s. Today, I'm going to eat like it's the 90s. And those are like my formative years, like junior high, high school, college. So this is totally like my jam. If you remember, back when we didn't really care about carbs and weren't nervous about carbs, we ate nothing but sugar and carbs for breakfast. Hello, sugar cereal. We're gonna eat this like it's going out of style, and it's like all that in a bag of chips. Got milk? And of course it's because it's the 90s and I'm about to eat a big bowl of sugar. I need a glass of sugar to go with it. So what do we have? It's not OJ, it's not purple stuff, it's Sunny D! We never sat around the table. Who sat around the table? Nobody sat around the table. It was always either like on the couch or at the island. Everybody was like already gone by the time you got up. Like nobody was even around. We're eating our sugar cereal in the dark by ourselves. Not really. I did. Oh snap, I am crashing. Ugh, after all this processed factory food, man, I need some coffee. I need caffeine. And like my favorite show in the 90s, obviously it was Friends, yours too, I know. I need to go find myself a hip coffee shop and get caffeinated.
Take it higher.
To do that. I feel just like Monica, Chandler, and Joey. I mean, they had their couch. This is my bench. Before the show Friends, people went to coffee shops just to get a cup of coffee. It was nondescript, it was simple, you were in, you were out. But I feel like Friends created this entire coffee shop communal culture. You went with your friends, you stuck around, you ordered crazy drinks with 8 syllables. I love it. Do you remember all those 90s games? I do, let's go play them right now. I'm ready for something a little bit more elegant. At least that's what we thought it was in the 90s. I don't know why we thought that this was like super fine dining, but we all loved it. It is the baked Brie. Let's like dig in. Booyah! If you did not eat pizza bagels in the 90s, the entire 90s, then what are we even doing here? Talk to the hand. Pizza in the morning, pizza in the evening, pizza at supper time.
When pizza's on a bagel, you can eat pizza anytime. Pizza bagel bites.
You remember that? You remember that commercial and that song? Yo, it is time for lunch and my pizza bagels will deliver. And I kind of feel like the best way to wash down a giant pizza bagel is with a Capri Sun. But I really hope I can get the straw in because that's like no one's ever been able to get a straw in the 90s or now, right? Yo mama. Oh, good. So I figured while I'm in New York City, why not visit one of the 90s most iconic TV shows, my favorite TV show of all time. '90s selfie. I'm exhausted. I've had such a long day of being in my 90s groove. I'm about to have dinner, but I want something sweet to go along with it. Do you guys remember Dunkaroos? Did you eat Dunkaroos? Yes, you did. And you know what? I'm gonna make my own version of Dunkaroos today because I'm an adult. holy grail of 90s kid dinners. Prime time in the 90s became dinner time. So I'm plopping down in front of the TV with my dino nuggets and my plaid, and I'm gonna watch something really scandalous.